Today, we're ranking the top 5 best spin mop in 2024. These mops are not just tools, but game changers that redefine the cleaning experience. We've meticulously tested and compared their features, durability, and efficiency. But that's not all. Stay tuned till the end as we reveal a mop that has an innovative feature never seen before in the industry. So, if you're looking for the best spin mop to make your cleaning tasks a breeze, this video is a must-watch. Let's dive in. I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop. If you're tired of dirty mop water and bending over to wring out your mop, this review is just for you. Let's get cleaning. First off, let's talk about the magic of microfiber. The O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop claims to remove 99% of bacteria with just water. That's right, no need for harsh chemicals. This deep cleaning solution tackles dirt and grime, ensuring your floors are not just clean but hygienically safe. Now, here's where it gets really cool. The patented dual-chamber bucket technology separates clean and dirty water. This means you're always mopping with fresh, clean water. No more swirling dirt around. It's a game changer for keeping your floors cleaner than ever, perfect for all hard surfaces like wood, tile, and vinyl. Hate wringing out mops? Say no more. The foot-activated spinning wringer lets you wring out the mop hands-free. Just step on the pedal and control the moisture level to your liking. Plus, the triangle-shaped mop head reaches every corner with ease, making cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. One of my favorite features is the washable and reusable mop heads. They're machine washable, saving you both time and money. You can keep an extra refill handy for those unexpected spills. It's eco-friendly and economical, reducing waste and keeping your home spotless. Lastly, the triangular mop head design is genius. It allows for better corner cleaning and, with its 360-degree rotation, gets under furniture effortlessly. No more missed spots or awkward angles. Every nook and cranny of your home will sparkle. So, there you have it. The O-Cedar EasyWring RinseClean Spin Mop System is a fantastic addition to any home cleaning arsenal. It's efficient, eco-friendly, and user-friendly. If you're looking to upgrade your cleaning game, this mop system is a must-have. Number 4. The Tsmine Spinning Floor Cleaning and Bucket Spin Mop. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the wringing performance. The Tsmine Spin Mop claims to be 4x drier than foot pedal mops. Thanks to its unique patent design, one finger can easily spin the mop head dry. This means less effort, more durability, and no more worrying about pedal fractures. Next, quality materials. Unlike other mops, this one uses durable stainless steel and PP for its basket, wringer, pallet, and handle. The upgraded handle allows the mop head to spin drier with less noise. Plus, the telescoping handle adjusts up to 62 inches, so no more back pain from bending over. Now, let's discuss its considerate design. This luxury spin mop system features 4 wheels, a pull handle, and a carry handle. It's designed to bring extra comfort, especially for the disabled or anyone who struggles with heavy lifting. There's even a floor brush for tackling dirtier floors. Another great feature is the extra microfiber mop heads. The Tsmine Spin Mop comes with 6 microfiber spin mop refills. These super thin microfiber heads have excellent absorbent abilities, perfect for laminate, hardwood, tile, glass, and more. You won't need to buy extra refills for 1 to 2 years. Finally, enjoy cleaning with ease. The Tsmine Mop and Bucket Cleaning System makes household chores a breeze. It promises a different cleaning experience, making it easier and more enjoyable. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So there you have it, folks. The Tsmine Spinning Floor Cleaning and Bucket Spin Mop could be the game changer you've been looking for in your cleaning routine. Number 3. The OSHANG OG2 and Bucket Spin Mop. If you're tired of traditional mops that leave your floors half clean and your back aching, this might just be the game changer you need. So, let's dive in and see what makes this mop and bucket combo so special. First up, let's talk about the build quality. The OSHANG Spin Mop and Bucket are made from premium materials that ensure durability and long-lasting performance. The mop head is super absorbent and can withstand multiple uses without wearing out. This high-quality construction promises effective cleaning for years years to come. Next, let's look at convenience. The OSHANG Spin Mop and Bucket are designed for ease of use and efficiency. The bucket comes with a built-in wringer, which means you can easily wring out excess water without getting your hands dirty. This all-in-one system is perfect for daily cleaning tasks. Now, on to how easy it is to use. The OSHANG Spin Mop features a 360-degree rotating mop head, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas with minimal effort. Simply dip the mop in the bucket, spin it to wring out excess water, and you're ready to clean. It's that simple. One of the standout features is the 14 refillable mop heads that come with the set. This ensures you always have a fresh, clean mop head ready to go. The refills are easy to replace and store, making it convenient to keep your mop in top condition at all times. Finally, let's talk design. The OSHANG Spin Mop and Bucket have a sleek, modern look that fits seamlessly into any home. Its unique design not only looks great, but also enhances functionality. It's clear that a lot of thought went into making this a user-friendly and stylish cleaning tool. So, there you have it, the OSHANG Spin Mop and Bucket. With its premium quality, convenience, ease of use, generous refills, and unique design, it's a fantastic addition to any home. If you're looking to make your cleaning routine easier and more effective, give this Spin Mop and Bucket a try. Number 2. The Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop. This little machine promises to make your cleaning routine a breeze, and every purchase helps save pets. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. One of the standout features of the Bissell SpinWave is its cordless freedom. Powered by an 18 volts lithium-ion battery, it gives you up to 20 minutes of runtime. No more tangled cords or being limited by the length of your power cable. Clean anywhere with ease and flexibility. The SpinWave's powerful spinning mop pads are designed to restore your floor's natural shine. These rotating pads do the hard work for you, scrubbing away tough, sticky messes. Whether it's muddy paw prints or spilled juice, the SpinWave makes cleaning effortless and efficient. Safety is key, and the SpinWave is safe to use on all sealed, hard floors. From wood and tile to linoleum, it powers through dirt and grime without damaging your surfaces. This versatility means you can tackle your entire home with just one tool, saving time and energy. One of my favorite features is the on-demand spray. You have complete control over how much cleaning solution goes onto your floor. Just press the button to release the perfect amount of solution, ensuring you get the best clean every time without wasting any product. Bissell has generously included everything you need to get started. 2 soft touch pads, 2 scrubby pads, and 2 8 ounces. Trial-size pet multi-surface formulas. This thoughtful inclusion means you can start cleaning right out of the box, tackling both light and heavy-duty messes. So, is the Bissell SpinWave Cordless Spin Mop worth it? Absolutely. With its cordless convenience, powerful spinning pads, and pet-saving mission, it's a fantastic addition to any home. If you want a mop that combines efficiency, safety, and a great cause, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning. Number 1. The Simpli-Magic and Bucket Spin Mop. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning your floors, this is the gadget you've been waiting for. Let's dive in and see why this mop is making waves. One of the standout features of the Simpli-Magic Spin Mop is its versatility. Whether you have laminate, hardwood, tile, vinyl, stone, or even concrete floors, this mop handles it all with ease. No more switching tools for different surfaces. This mop covers it all, ensuring a spotless finish every time. Rinsing the mop head is a breeze with the Simpli-Magic system. The design requires minimal effort to spin and rinse, making cleaning less of a chore. With a simple push, the mop head spins, removing dirt and water quickly and efficiently, leaving you with a clean and ready-to-use mop head. Say goodbye to endless purchases of disposable mop heads. The Simpli-Magic Spin Mop comes with 3 reusable and machine-washable microfiber mop heads. These durable heads are designed to last, saving you significant money in the long run. Plus, you can order a 6-pack of refills on Amazon using ASIN B07PB1X6HW. This mop is all about ease of use. The extendable pole adjusts to your height, preventing back strain during those long cleaning sessions. The bucket features a built-in wringer that spins your mop head dry with just a few presses. Cleaning your home has never been this comfortable and efficient. Durability is key, and Simpli-Magic delivers. These microfiber mop heads are manufactured to withstand heavy use and are machine washable. They maintain their effectiveness over time, providing a reliable cleaning solution that won't let you down. So there you have it, folks. The Simpli-Magic Spin Mop and Bucket is a game changer for anyone looking to make floor cleaning easier, faster, and more cost-effective. If you're ready to elevate your cleaning routine, this mop is definitely worth a try. Remember, cleaning can be fun with the right tools. Ask an adult to help you choose the best spin mop for your home and have fun helping out. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, we've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.